If you're using one pitch deck for both meetings and emails, you're making a mistake, and your AI advisor doesn't know to tell you. I'm Tony Materna, serial entrepreneur, 32 years in startups, hundreds of pitches to VCs, angels, and family offices. I know what investors are looking for. Here's a pitch deck pro tip. You need 2 pitch decks, not 1, 2. The first is your live deck, the one you will use in a live meeting in front of live investors. Light on text, simple graphics, big visuals. Why? Because you're in the room. You're the narrator. If your slides are dense, investors stop listening to you and start reading. You lose them. This deck is meant as a backstop to your live narration. The second deck I call the reader deck, the one you send when an investor says, "Send me your deck." Now you're not there. This deck has to tell the whole story alone without you. More words, more context, more detail. Charts that explain themselves. Send the wrong one, and they may not understand your investment opportunity. Use the wrong one in an actual pitch session, and you may lose your audience's attention. This is advice you won't get from any AI because no AI has ever actually pitched an investor. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.